Oh, this looks good on camera. I love this. Really. Oh, happy birthday, Miss. Let's go into cold. Let's see. It's hard to find a really good. Me encanta esto. Oh, baby girl. Just blend. Self-love day. This just became a mood. I'm going places. I'm going somewhere today. I'm gonna leave. Created an event. That's what makeup does. Right? Am I right? It just transforms you, right? You're just transformed. You're ready. You're ready to take on the world. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. Let me turn this out. We're gonna go out. I'm gonna go smoky. More is more. Use some of these shades for eyebrows. The difference. Bam, bam. Blush using terracotta. I just created a full face using just this palette. Eyebrows, eyeshadow, contour, and blush. Baby girl, what are you waiting for? Message me to purchase. This is gonna change you. Yes, I'm looking at you. Pigmented, and it shows up on camera. This is my professional. This can create endless makeup designs. This is just incredible. This creates the perfect shading. This creates the perfect blend, the perfect harmony. I'm in love. Also, used the TORI Belle lashes. I use these lashes. I have them on. All I did was apply magnetic liner. That's it. Let it dry, and these just adhere. Look at this. I'm gonna show you. You take it off. You see the difference that it makes with your makeup look? You look more awake, you look more glamorous, and it's so easy. You don't have to be an expert to use this. And if you're an expert, it's even easier. I am not gonna use regular lashes with glue anymore. This is no more. I'm gonna use magnetic lashes and liner. I'm gonna show you. Look it. I have magnetic liner on right now, and my lashes just adhere to it. That's just insane. I don't even feel like I'm wearing lashes right now. It feels very lightweight. They stay put. Look at this. Like, they're not moving. They're not moving. They're staying in place. This is just incredible. Inbox me, place your order, and I can't wait for you to receive this. You're gonna rock these lashes, you guys. All of you can rock these lashes. They're just incredible, easy to use. You have 30 wears. 30, flirty, and thriving, baby. What is your name, baby girl?